Hey everybody, Mr. Kowalczyk here. So this is our last lesson for Unit 4, which is solving problems involving triangles. So we've got Unit 4, Lesson 4, Standard 8.4. I can solve problems involving triangles. Pretty straightforward. So now for the opener, let's take notes on the steps needed where we're going to be solving these problems. So there's a 4-step process that is going to work for every single problem we're going to be doing today. First off, we're going to determine what kind of triangle we have. The reason why we're going to determine what type of triangle is because that's going to help us follow our rules. If we have an isosceles triangle, we know we have two sides that are going to be congruent, at least. If we have an equilateral, if we have a right triangle, that's going to inform how we're going to go ahead and solve the problem. Now, then after that, we say, in this particular problem, are we dealing with side length? Like it's an unknown side length. Are we dealing with interior angles? Exterior angles, or the Pythagorean theorem. And I should be more careful with my capital letters. I don't know why I'm doing that. All right. Now, step 3, after we figured out what type of triangle we have and whether or not we're dealing with any of these particular styles of problems, we're going to set up the appropriate equation. After we've set up the appropriate equation, we are going to go ahead and solve the equation. Okay, so that's the 4 steps that are involved in every single problem that we're going to be working on today. Let's go ahead and jump down and work on problem number 1. Now, for this one, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to answer the question, what type of triangle is this? Look at this question, or excuse me, triangle, and then we see that we have 3 congruency tick marks on all 3 sides of the triangle, and we have 60-degree angles. That tells me that this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, then the type of problem. Well, I need to look up here at the instructions and see what I'm being asked to do. If side DE is 27, and side EF is 5x plus minus 18, solve for x. X is here. So what do I know about an equilateral triangle? I know that all 3 sides are congruent. Another word for congruent is equal. So that tells me that I'm solving for side length. Okay. Now I'm going to set up my equation. We know that all 3 sides are equal. So in this situation, 27 is going to be equal to 5x minus 18. Add 18 to both sides. That goes away. 15, 45 equals 5x. Divide by 5. X equals 9. Okay. I was asked to solve for x, so I don't need to plug this back into the side length. Let's do it just to double check. 5 times 9 minus 18. 45 minus 18. I subtract that, I get 27. It checks out because both the side lengths are the same. This check tells me that I did my algebra correctly, which is great. All right, let's do one more together, or I think we're good. Actually, I think we're good. We'll do a real short lesson for today. The rest of the practice problems, you're going to get the chance to do during class tomorrow. So solving problems involving triangles, go through this 4-step process, and then figure out what you need to do to solve for your particular problem. All right, see you in class tomorrow. Real short video today. Bye-bye.